waiting to get monetized. Yes. Ladies and gentlemen, it's almost time. I am going to be monetized on YouTube. I don't know when. I need your help. I'm almost there. As you can see, I have 392 watch hours. I don't know. I'm going to show you the screenshot. I don't know how much it says now, but I'm very sure I need your help, and help me get monetized by watching my videos. But most of you who aren't monetized, I understand it's difficult, but it also takes time and you have to work on your channel. So what things can you do to help you get monetized? First of all, make sure that send all your friends your videos to ask them to help you watch your videos, because when they watch them, then they will be accumulating watch time. And don't send your videos to people who are just going to click on and click off, because when you do that, what happens, your watch time goes down, and then these videos are not really valid, and the watch time you're planning to get monetized doesn't really add up. So make good content. That's one thing. Distribution methods. Try to distribute your content and get it to the right eyes, get to the right people who are interested in your content. And how does it feel for me to be waiting to get monetized with a small channel? Yes, I know. I am very insecure. Small channels, yeah. I still want to make money with my small channel, because most of you who don't know if you can make money with your small channel, yes, you can. Everyone can make money with their small channel, because I've been on YouTube for some time now, and I have made money already with my small channel without ad revenue, because what I've done, I've shared information about my company. I've embedded my videos on my websites. I've helped my clients understand more about what services and business I offer. So this has already helped me gain a clientele and also help my clients get more information. So that's already a source of revenue without the AdSense. So, but I want to get some ad revenue. So I know most of you say, yeah, you only have a few subscribers. Yeah, if you think I only have a few subscribers, then help me subscribe to my channel and subscribe to me, and then watch my videos so that we grow together and make money. Okay, I love money, as you've noticed, because that's why I want to get monetized. But I know most of you are like, yeah, ads with your videos and that. Yes, even though you're not monetized, most of the times your videos have ads on and you're not getting the back. So what's the point of just sitting around and thinking, yeah, I'm waiting on YouTube, I'm not going to put ads in my videos, because yeah, sometimes you don't put ads on your videos and your channel is not monetized, but still they put ads on your videos. So I want to get, I want to be cut on that, on that revenue. So for many of you who know me or don't know me, please subscribe to this channel and help me get monetized, and what I've already done to help me get the process faster, and what you can do if you're waiting to get monetized or you're working towards it, is try to make searchable content, because that will help you grow an audience of people who are searching for information. And because Google and YouTube are together, and they are a search engine, they are both search engines. So make sure you create searchable content that will help you get more traffic to your channel and get people to understand your content, to discover your content. The other thing you can be doing, like distribution, like I already mentioned before, and make sure that your thumbnails look good and perceive what you want, perceive the message you want. Don't make a thumbnail talking about someone, make a thumbnail on the title that's saying something else, yet in the videos you're saying something else, because right now the voice search is really accurate, and even YouTube transcribes your videos. So don't say things that you don't mean, that are not connecting, because those things used to work long ago for some people, but nowadays they don't work. So just ignore the bad tactics and ignore the viral videos. People like say, yeah, I only make viral videos. Yeah, you don't know what will go viral and what could not go viral. Viral topics, I've never made those, so I wouldn't give you any advice, but I highly recommend not to try those things, because yeah, you made flop. Yeah, so I don't know, but help me get monetized. That's what asking you as my viewer, as subscriber, or as someone who is watching this channel now. Help, 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 help. I want to get monetized. And for most of you there, I hope those tips were enough for you to get holding on and ask your subscriber base to help you get monetized, or ask your friends, family, send them your videos, send them everything you think they will, And as you can see, I'm still in my studio working on my content, working. And other things, you should post frequently. Frequent posting. Make sure you're posting frequently, because when you post frequently, people keep on coming back to your channel and people keep on watching you, and then YouTube thinks, oh, this person is relevant, so they keep on promoting this stuff even though you're not relevant. Yeah, I know some of you think some of us are relevant or not relevant, so but we don't know. But I feel I'm relevant, so I think they will watch me. And I think you watch me, and I think you enjoy watching me. So help. I want to get subscribers. I want to get monetized, and help me get monetized. How to get monetized on YouTube? Yeah, you have also to do that thing, The AdSense account, did you already set it up? Yes, I already did set it up. Did you already set it up? Yeah, maybe. I think if you haven't yet, try to do that before. And what happens is, when all the things are set up before time, Google, or now YouTube, sends you that, mail that you're going to monetize. And when I get monetized, I'm going to send you that video and how to get monetized fast. Oh, now it's what I'm doing now. Sorry, I'll make a video on how to make money with a small channel, because most of you think just ads, you can only make money through ad revenue. No, that's not true. That I'll make a full depth video to be linked here on how to make money without AdSense, because I have made money without AdSense. So, but I want to get AdSense too, so as another source of income, and be able to get some money and live on it. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and hope you're going to help me get monetized, and I hope you subscribe, enjoy, keep watching this video, and see you soon. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and watch all my videos so that I get monetized. And see you soon, and bye.